Got ticklish feet. Yeah.
Ticklish? Are you talking? You're telling us things. You're grinning. You like your new gym? You like the butterflies? You like those butterflies? They're flying around. You like that? And your monkey? You like your monkey? Is he telling you secrets again? He's telling you secrets.
Talking back to him.
Yeah. And he's kissing on you
Hi.
too.
You just letting that go.
Okay. He's kissing on you.
Oh. How come she's got ticklish ears?
You got ticklish ears. Do it on the other side. See if she turns this way.
This one?
No, her other ear. With the
Huh?
monkey. With the monkey. Her other ear. Will you turn this way and look at us? In the mirror? I mean,
Nope.
in the camera.
Nope. I'm looking at him though.
You're looking at the monkey.
You wanna hold him?
Trying to kiss him. You kissed him.
You're holding him all by yourself.
You're holding him. You got him. You're cuddling. Okay, we'll say good night.